Hello, my name is Dane Butler. I am the lead customer service agent with Page Optimizer Pro, and today we're going over how to edit your Wix site when you're using the Chrome extension. First, we'll begin by clicking to open the Chrome extension, clicking to start, and then we'll specify if we're using the pop secret key or if we're logged in. This depends on how you have access to the report. I'm logged in, so I'll select I'm logged in. Then I'll be asked which particular page run I need information from. Selecting the page run, I need to then do a once over. I'm inside of my editor, so I'll click to confirm that this is the correct page run and I'm inside of the website's editor. I'll click Start Now, and that'll pull up the information I need in order to begin editing my site. Scrolling down, I can see that my exact keyword is missing from my search engine title as well as my page title. So let's go ahead and add it to our H1. And then if we scroll down, we can see that it's also missing from my main content. So we should add it here too. Scrolling up, we can also see that I'm missing my exact keyword from any subheadings. So let's add it here. With that, let's click Save, and then check the optimization score of the page after all of those edits. We can see it spotted my use of my exact keyword inside of my subheadings, inside of my main content, as well as inside of my page title. So let's see how much my score has increased. We can see that I've gone from 10% to 27%. I still have some optimization that I need to do for this particular page, but now I can edit with confidence, knowing that all of the things that I am adding to my page make a difference. With that, you know everything you need to know in order to edit inside of the Wix editor with the Pop Chrome extension. As always, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and happy optimizing!